Oh, dude, it started. So it just started for a second.
Sort of.
Sort of.
Is the battery still good, or? The lights are on.
Do you smell anything?
Jake, you ready to clean the carb for the first time?
Yeah, for sure. So I've done this once before.
Oh, you actually took it apart and cleaned it?
Yeah, but it was kind of like my buddy was showing me, so he kind of really did it. Oh, I don't know what to do after this.
This little thing here,
Okay.
you can pull that up and then it'll kind of like peel away everywhere. Set that aside. So look down in there. See, there's like a little retaining clip covered in gasoline.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a plastic piece in there. Be careful with that. He said there are no replacements for that.
Oh shit, okay.
So be careful with that.
Which piece?
This
That little tube thing?
Yeah,
Okay.
but you can dump that out.
Now what?
The thing in your hand, you can just set that in the box over there.
Oh wow, this thing is really looking.
Yeah, it was all in the float pole up here. It can be tough. Worst chair.
I like it.
Worst chair.
So we both have these already, but we had to go get more.
Tiny screwdrivers. But we also got screws because you were missing one in the diaphragm cover is what it's called. And what else? We got some oil if we do an oil change today.
So Tyler said the oil looks fine, but I'd never replace it, so I'm surprised.
I mean, it couldn't hurt to do an oil change.
New battery, new oil, clean carbs. It's like infinitely spinning, I feel like.
Yeah, that means it's probably ready to come out.
Oh my god, come on. It's gotta be ready.
Oh, there's children outside dying, I think. Try just shaking it.
There it is. Woo!
All right, there we go. Jake got the entire carb taken apart. How's it feel?
I feel like a real mechanic. Gasket sits, yeah.
And then I taught Jake how to clean the carbs. Or rather, I watched a video and then relayed that information to Jake while he cleaned his carb. Or should I say rebuilt the carb. And then I realized that maybe I didn't do my carb correctly. So I took apart part of mine and did it again. We're new here. Give us a break. Now here's this montage. Sit back and relax and watch us play with these carbs. Oh, you're filming? So we're gonna put these carburetors back on, see if I can do it. I'm gonna start by, this is the throttle cable. If I say anything wrong, shut up. But also tell me because I don't know. So yeah, throttle cable on there. Oh, this goes through here, okay. We're figuring it out, ladies and gentlemen. This goes through here. Doop, 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 doop. Alright, I think that's in.
That looks into me. So that throttle cable, by the way, brand new.
Oh,
So
it looked pretty good.
Yeah.
I don't like that that's on there, but that's fine.
I'm sure it's fine. I don't really know.
Tyler knows.
I don't know anything, man. Sometimes I talk like I know, but I don't know. Okay. That's on there. Then a little drain hose, just squeeze onto the bottom. There was actually some fuel in the line here. When I took them off, I dripped fuel everywhere. Actually, this is the other one. This is the one that goes over here. Fuel line here. There's a choke bracket that's attached to the carb that you're gonna put in. That needs to come over. It just like slides onto here. I think that's it for this carb. Let's move on to the other one. We need to get this bracket attached first.
To wear that.
Oh god, the chair's falling apart. Ah! We gotta get another Scooty. Oh my god.
I might pick one of these up. Be nice to have.
I might just go steal a different chair. I left you the harder one on purpose. Not gonna lie.
I hate this.
Two hands to do this.
Kind of dangles, right?
Yeah, just dingle dangles. It's just Officer Dangles.
Lieutenant Dangle.
Is it Lieutenant?
I think so.
Cool. Carburetors are back on. We've done it.
We've done it,
ladies and
folks.
gentlemen. Dad, don't make fun of us for battery stuff again. It hurts Jake's feelings.
That's probably good.
Wants to.
The gas is off.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait.
So, as you can tell, it wants to start so bad, but it's not. So, a little disappointing, but I think we're close. We're getting close. So, if you have any ideas for us, just let us know. It'd be
Yeah.
great.
I was really hoping I was going to get to ride it today. I brought my helmet and everything, but maybe next
I
time.
was really hopeful that we got to ride it today. It's been at least a year since I've gotten to ride this or more. So, actually probably over a year.
It's probably something really simple that you guys are going to be able to be like, do this.
So
And that would be
obviously,
cool.
clean the carbs, put some fuel in it. I mean, the fuel could be bad, I guess. So
I don't know. Let us know in the comments what you think.
yeah, like and subscribe. Stay safe.
See ya.